Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Jemluse. Use wireless CarPlay adapter for Apple. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: the ultimate smarter co-pilot. Stay on top of your driving. The 3A Magic Link CarPlay box, control everything with a word, or a touch, or a twist. Save your 40% of time by quick autocon and seamless operation, such as navigation, music playing, Siri Assistant, phone calls, radio and others. Uncompromisingly 7A microchip tech. Help you focus on driving with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, 5.3 Bluetooth, and 8-core processor for CarPlay. Genius makes transmission rate by up 40%, you can 10x faster than other CarPlay. Take Google Maps, media, and messaging apps to car display. Unique black 7A chip keeps excellent performance in antioxidant, hardness, corrosion, and temperature tests, -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. No worry about disconnect during a long driving. 5.0 Premium Ultralight Alloy Dongle. Compact and durable AR cables and metal boxes that have withstood 50,000 plus tests, last 3x longer than plastic receiver. Also, special material car adapter enhanced the heat dissipation. And the next highlight feature that recommend new products releases update all day channel will introduce is serious power, serious value. Designer box with stylish all-ion classic and sleek exterior. Instant plug and play, fast auto connect, online upgrades, sophisticated UI design ensure smoothly while driving, that for all factory OEM wired car. No need dash mount, even if your cell phone is in your pocket, it works. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.